Hello, Classroom 3. Today is Wednesday, May 27th. So we are doing May activities under May 27, 2020. For today, for ELA and slash social emotional, we're going to do what comes next. Now, what comes next, the activity require you to begin singing your child's favorite song or nursery rhyme. Sing the first line and pause. Invite your child to sing the next line. Continue with this back and forth pattern. Miss Tiana did post a video on our YouTube channel of one of the class favorite rhymes, One, Two, Buckle My Shoes. So you could have the child look at that video on our YouTube channel and finish the lines that Miss Tiana left blank. Now, for math, scavenging ball, we doing it basically like a review, same thing. Display the round objects from the previous day. Ask questions to help child group the different objects. Ask your child to sort the object by use. Put objects away. So this you'll take objects and you could sort them by use. Like how will you use? How you ask your child how will you use this object? So you could look at either video, the video that shouldn't be there, or that Matiana post, or the math activity one, which shouldn't be there. Also, it should be on the that's on the YouTube channel that you could use to watch to do this activity. You just discussed like again what objects, how will you use the objects basically. Now for science slash social studies family favorites, you're gonna invite your child to cook a favorite family meal with you. As you cook together, talk about the recipe and the ingredients and directions. Take pictures and send it to, of course, the teachers. So this is a fun activity. You could do this activity anytime you want. It just don't have to be today, but just invite you to of a favorite family dish and have the child, cook with you and let them know the ingredients. So that's what we do for science and social studies. In the physical education, is the freeze dance. Place a favorite song and play freeze dance. Dance together with the music plays. When the music plays and when you stop the music, freeze. So that's all you do. You could play the child's favorite song and have the child dance. And then when you stop the music, and the child know when you stop the music, they have to freeze. So that's the activity for today. And again, we have it in Spanish. As you can see, given the instructions in Spanish. So that's it.